Hello, good evening, everyone. Now, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the black screen platform if you're recording your screen in OBS. So I'm going to go over to OBS, and this is useful for people who love to do screen recording on gaming. So this is my OBS platform, and currently I have a few sources. Now, in order to show you how it's done, I'm just going to add a new screen so I don't have to delete all my current settings. So I'm going to add a section here. I'm going to say 2, screen 2, tap on that, and it will take me over to a fresh, say, platform where I'm going to show you. Now, after you have added that new screen, you're going to go to the section under sources, tap on the plus, then you're going to hit capture display capture. Yes. After tapping that, another box will open up, display capture 2. And the reason why it's saying 2 is that I currently have another display on my platform. So I'm going to tap on OK. Tapping on OK, you're going to take it over to this section where you can click whichever display face you want. You can tap on automatic. That means it will display whatever is currently available within the option. Or you can go and choose whichever display mode from amongst the options you have on your computer. So I'm going to leave this as automatic. Feel free to touch on any one here. And then further down, you're going to get to the display. Now, when you come to the display, there'll be different options based on the setting of your screen. So currently my monitor is 1920 times 1080, so that's the only option I see. If your monitor is bigger and it can have a high resolution of 4K and so forth, you'll have different options. So I'm going to stick to what my default monitor screening measurement is on. Tap on that. Then I'm going to tap on OK. Tapping on OK, you'll then see the screen of what you're playing your game on so that you can play and other people can see what you're doing. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you've enjoyed it. Any questions for me, I'm more than happy to help you. All you have to do, go down below and comment and request anything that you wish regarding tutorials. Thank you for your undivided attention. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share it with your friends. Chat with you in the next one. Ta-ta. Bye.